Hey, I know a lot of weld schools out there are slinging metal, throwing sparks and arcs, but there's a lot to it on the backside. So Keegan said this would be a little boring, but I thought I would let you in on some behind the scenes stuff. I'm getting ready to take my CWI 9th year endorsement test. So I have chosen to do the PQ2 test. It's about PQRs and qualification. The two code books I have to take with me, very, very thick. This is the AWS D11 and this is the B21. Lots of differences between them. With the 2.1, there is no pre-qualified procedures. With the D1, lots of pre-qualified procedures. With the 2.1, if I PQR and qualify a weldment in flat, so long as the electrode will handle it, it qualifies for the entire procedure in all positions on plate and pipe. With the D11, not so much. Obviously a 6G will qualify you for any position except the T, K, and Y. But lots of stuff like that. As I go through my practice questions, I've got to constantly know if I'm in the B21 or the D11, and that's what I'm proving, is that I can understand PQRs and how they translate into a WPS. So lots of knowledge, lots of theory here at CWI, and we're staying up with industry. Thanks. All right, it's all done. My CWI 9th year endorsement with the PQ2. The welding procedure qualifier endorsement is complete. If you're a CWI, of course, or if you're wanting to know about this, in the 9th year you have to do, there's several different options. You can get 80 hours of PD, you can go to a 2-week course, you can retake the CWI exams, or you can get an upgrade or an endorsement on your card, which is the version I went for. Had to go for these two books. Of course, you saw the last video, but passed the test. CWI is in business, keeping up professionally.